everyone. Today I'll be making not your everyday salmon fillets. So what are the ingredients for the not your everyday salmon fillets? 4 salmon fillets, skinless, 4 tablespoons brown sugar, 4 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper, French fried onions, and parsley minced for garnish. And I don't have that here. My husband's bringing it home when he gets home tonight. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then you want to take a baking sheet and spray it with cooking spray, so your salmon fillets will not stick. You want to take a paper towel and dry the fillets. And then lay them on your baking tray. We want to go ahead and season them with salt and pepper. And we'll go ahead and make the sauce. Then you want to get a bowl and put in the 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, the 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and the 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. And go ahead and get that all mixed up. And when it's like a paste, we'll go ahead and baste it on the salmon. So we want to go ahead and put the salmon in a 350 degree oven for 15 minutes or until it flakes. Alright, so the not your everyday salmon fillets just came out of the oven. So then what you want to do is go ahead and take your French fried onions and put them on the salmon fillets. And then garnish it with minced parsley. So here is your not your everyday salmon fillets, and rounding out the meal is vegetables and beans.
That's really good. It's kind of sweet.
recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.